Good morning, traders. Welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tepo, back again with another analysis video. Today is Wednesday. We're halfway through the week, so please do me a favor, hit the like button there, subscribe, and follow with me for today's analysis. Starting with the Dow Jones, we have had, wow, it's a very clear cycle here. We've had three levels of drop, no questions asked, a nice level consolidation, did it 3 times, and we might have our peak formation here. So now I'm expecting them to give us our peak formation low so we can begin our uptrend, our 3 levels of rise. And when I look at where price is right now, I think our best point of interest could be yesterday's low of the day. Today's Wednesday, also again great day for the midweek reversal. So I definitely expect price to come down here, give us a nice stop hunt here and reverse. I'm looking for, like I said, I'm looking for 2 to 3 levels of rise from here, and then we'll see how price reacts specifically to this point of view, this point here. Even if they were to come here and give me short signals, I won't be taking any continuation short trades. I am only eyeing a reversal today from the what should be our low of the week. Even if this isn't the low itself, if they go a little bit further down and create an anchor peak formation before reversing, end of the day, what I expect from Dow Jones is to begin their uptrend. Moving over to Nasdaq, we've had 2 levels of drop, also quite clean. Yeah, the reversal has looked pretty good. This could be, they could give us another level here to conclude this one, but I'm happy with this setup right here. I expect them to give us another, another level of drop. So I am anticipating, is this the ADR high? This is the ADR high, so it's not a good place for us to take a short position. Yeah, we're lacking some nice areas of liquidity, but I do expect them to continue the downtrend. I don't think they're done there. Maybe they'll come back up there actually like they normally do in level 2. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe they'll go there. I'm not likely to take a reversal trade here, honestly. This doesn't look very good. It's too close to the ADR, and they might just go up there and then maybe reverse it tomorrow being Thursday or Friday. But what I expect from Nasdaq is to go down. In fact, what I'm most likely to trade or monitor is the continuation trade pattern over here at yesterday's low. Yeah, that's where I'm actually looking to take a little bit of a continuation move there. So we'll just monitor price and see what we get. GBP USD looks like they're in level 3. It's nice and clean. Okay, the final level of rise didn't look very good, but everything else they've been doing in this area almost confirms our level 3. EMAs are almost even fanned out for us to get our stop hunt. So this definitely for me is level 3. What I expect them to do is to bring price down and probably begin the downtrend and give us our complete levels of drop. So what I expect from them is to give us a stop hunt. What we want from here is a stop hunt high drop. Basically this region here looks like it could be a significant area of interest. There should be some liquidity here, especially if you look at how prices treated this area over the last 2 or 3 days. I expect GBP/USD to, it's possible that usually when they've done this, sometimes they don't always make it up here. Maybe they've got a lot of liquidity trapped up here and they don't want to come here at all. But if they do, I definitely want to see them come anywhere from this is Tuesday's high, isn't it? Yeah, anywhere from Tuesday's high. Anything from there would be an interesting little reversal pattern, but I'm definitely anticipating that they will drop from here. This could be our anchor. This could be our anchor / call it a second leg, a variation of an M formation, if you will. So maybe we would take continuation patterns there. I personally won't, because of the ADR low. It's a little bit too close, and the yesterday's low is a little bit too close actually to where price is right now. So I, for the most part, only want to take a reversal trade up there. But we'll see how price plays out. Sorry. Moving on to Euro USD, I honestly don't like their 3 levels of rise. This third one here coming out of here, not my favorite. I would have liked to see them go push price a little bit higher, maybe challenge last week's high again for me to confirm this being a peak formation high. But how they have treated it does kind of give indication that it is a peak formation, because they pulled price right back. They got right out of there, and even if you look at Tuesday's move, they also did a little stop hunt and got out of there as well. So we could have like one level of drop here. I'm expecting another 2 or 3 levels of drop. Maybe this is our peak formation high. So I am anticipating a stop hunt high drop. I am open to them coming all the way to challenge last week's high first before reversing. But again, this very well could be the high of the week. So when we drop down to the 15 minutes, I would be expecting them to give us a stop hunt high to yesterday's low. Yesterday's high. No, Tuesday's high, that is. Tuesday's high give us no, today is Tuesday, my goodness. Monday's high give us a nice little trap reversal formation up here, and then reverse for us to give us our 3 levels of drop. To give us 2 levels, because we've had 2 more levels of drop. ADR high is nice and far, so here we're just looking for a nice reversal pattern here for us to take the move. AUD USD, let's see what they have been doing. Here we've completed 3 levels of drop, as you can see, nice and clean. It was even almost over 5 days, which is a little bit ideal. And then they came back and reversed very quickly. It was a sharp move to go all the way up there, and then they came back down again. So now this could be a reset. Let's look at the H4. Okay, we're in level 3 H4. So this could be a reset, but I am still expecting this low to hold. I guess for me, they were challenging last week's low, so I actually still expect them to rise. It doesn't look good the way they came down here, but I still expect them to rise. Or could they be dropping? Honestly, they actually could drop, especially to go line of Euro USD and GBP USD. Yeah, this is giving very strong reset signals for them to begin the downtrend. The EMAs definitely are saying to us reset. So you know what, I'm actually going to stay out of AUD USD just for today, because I expect them to go down, but I want them to break this level just to be sure, to confirm the beginning of a downtrend, or even if they don't shoot right below it, but excuse me, if they could at least close below it, then I know we're working with something. So I'll be monitoring that for sure, but yeah, I'll be staying out of AUD USD. USD CAD gave us 2 levels of rise. Have been consolidating for 1 day. Really, I expect them to continue. They basically owe us 1 more level of rise. They might do that level 2 thing first, where they drop down, maybe even all the way to the Mayo, give a little bit of confusion, but I still expect their move to be bullish. Let's see. It doesn't look like we have any points. Oh, we do. Yeah, I definitely expect them to rise. So from here, I'm looking at a simple, what is yesterday's low? Simple stop hunt low rise here. Nothing too spectacular. If they don't do that here, if they come all the way to our point of interest and don't show any signs of reversal, just gonna stay out and wait until they do their level 2 behavior, because like I said, they really like to do that. They might want to pull price back down to the blueberry here in the 15 minutes before going all the way up. So but until then, I'm still going to be anticipating the stop hunt low rise at yesterday's low. Maybe we'll take a continuation pattern at last month's high. Yeah, if they fail to come down to yesterday's low, I'll check for them at last month's high. If we get a strong continuation pattern here, basically then if they're to break through it and come back and give a nice entry pattern here, then we'll go long. So yeah, definitely expect them to go long. Dollar Swiss franc, same thing, just about the same thing. I expect them. They have given us our 1 level of reversal here. They completed their downtrend quite swiftly and then gave us 1 level there to reverse. So here I'm expecting to get another 2 levels of rise from where they are. Unfortunately, I don't have a point of interest that keeps it safe, that gives us a nice area of liquidity, probability, the whole shebang when it comes to the setup. Nothing of that sort here, so might not take any trade. Yeah, I will not take any trade here. No continuation areas either. So dollar Swiss franc will just be monitoring price just to keep our level count up to date, but won't be taking any positions unless you guys have some sort of continuation pattern that you can take from Asia, Asian session high, which I don't recommend, but if it works for you, go for it, because I expect them to go up. Yeah, I'm just gonna be monitoring. Yeah, nothing for me to trade, honestly. And then finally, S&P 500. Again, they're almost identical to Nasdaq. Two levels of drop here, quite clear. No questions asked. Nice consolidation period here. So I expect them to, it could be level 2. They might go a little bit too high again, do that little thing of theirs for level 2. But for the most part, I expect a nice stop hunt high drop here. Drop down to 15 minutes. I expect them to do this at yesterday's high. It's a little bit far, not the most ideal, but they can definitely do it. ADR high is high, it's close, but not too close. It's not too close. So this does, honestly, if they go all the way up there, it can resemble their level 2 behavior, where they want to go back all the way to the 1 hour mayonnaise or something of that sort. Okay, 1 hour mayo is not in play here, but they do like to reverse close to where level 2 started. So we'll just keep monitoring price. That anything could happen. They could go there and then continue shooting before reversing maybe tomorrow or Friday, but I will assume that they're going to give us a stop hunt high here and then reverse. Unfortunately, price is below last month's. Is it last month's high or low? I don't want to lie now. Last month's high, yes. What price, if price continues to trade below last month's high for long enough, another thing they could do is maybe stay here and then give it a sort of like a straightaway stop hunt, where they just go up here above last month's high and the Asian high, and then close below last month's high. Then would have a nice short trade there. In fact, that's usually my favorite setup. Well, one of my favorites. If we get that, I would prefer it. Just that it's not likely now, because when I look at where price is trading, it's quite significantly close there, and I kind of want to see them do something like that, where they go above it, but this is kind of like a pin and closes below last month's high, and then definitely entering short here, closing my eyes, closing the computer, and waiting to take profit type of thing. So of course, we will only see as time plays out. Still early, we'll see during London session. Not likely to get something there, but definitely New York will give us some answers and we'll know what's going on. So we'll just keep monitoring the price. I'll have my alerts set up here, and then here I'll just keep a keen eye on what's going on. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do me a favor, hit that like button there, subscribe. Please join us on the Telegram channel. We're trying to grow a community of traders there. Share your setup, share your trading ideas. I'll let you know what I'm trading. I'm also gonna start taking screenshots and updating a little bit more as I'm taking my own positions, so that I'm giving you some real-time updates on what I'm seeing, especially because I'm a BTMM trader. So if you guys are trading BTMM, it'll also make difference for you. Even if you're not, I mean, price is price at the end of the day. So when you're following with what you're doing, you can also gain some insights relative to your trades. And yeah, let's just grow that knowledge base in that sense. So thank you again, thank you guys for watching, for getting this far, and I will see you guys in the next one.